It was quite a busy week. Between protests and artists doing what they do best, it was hard to pick the top 5, but we did, so let's go. Nicki Minaj is facing a lot of backlash after teaming up with police informant Tekashi 69 on a new single. Will it hurt her career? Doubt it, but we shall see. Popcorn was a proud daddy after his daughter Rihanna graduated from prep school recently. Poppy was all smiles. Jamaicans joined in the protests on Saturday at the US Embassy and Emancipation Park, including a very famous face, Bounty Killer. Yellow, yellow. Rain! And then the flooding in Seaview. But on a serious note, you saw the plastic bottles? And finally holding the spot this week, George Floyd was laid to rest in Houston. May his soul rest in peace. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.